with Xquisite Floral Designs and Events. Today we're going to take a look at a lavender and plum wedding that was created with love and care. We used hydrangea, roses, lisianthus, and different greenery to create this gorgeous look. Don't forget to like this video and just subscribe to our channel for all great floral designs for your next upcoming event. We service all of Southern California and we do destination events also. So go check us out on our IG page at Xquisite Floral, and that's exquisite with an X. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, a staff of 3, we are creating these lovely flower arrangements. We had over 15 tables, bridal bouquets, boutonnieres, cake flowers, and a gorgeous centerpiece for the sweetheart table. Now let's look at the finishing event. As you can see, the bride opted for plum tablecloths with gold chargers, and our lovely centerpieces were added. She went for high and low, and there goes the gorgeous head table.